Hey, where you going?
Where you going? Come this way.
Alex, come this way. You're gonna fall if you go out there.
Come here.
Come here.
Come this way.
Turn around.
Oh, that's your step.
I'm sure this is a good thing. Holy crap, she pulled that off. Well, I don't want her to get down like that. Hi, baby.
Are there birdies outside?
No.
No? You don't see any birdies?
Why? No.
Say birdies, where are you?
Woody.
Birdie? Need help? Say help me, please. All right.